So this is a super cool, compact Mercedes RV that's perfect for quick getaways or excursions to just enjoy everything the country has to offer. Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. This is the 2025 Delano 24FB. Everything you see in here comes in at a coach that's 25 feet 8 inches in length. And what's really cool about the Delano 24FB is the one we are in right now has the optional 3200 watt diesel generator. So that's going to run right off your tank. It's going to be efficient. We also have the one-touch leveling jacks on here, and we still have 2,012 pounds of occupant and cargo carrying capacity. That's awesome. And that's in part due to the fact that this is built on the Mercedes-Benz 4500 chassis. You're going to get all of the Mercedes safety up here in the dash. You can see it's very high tech. You have the new i4 turbo engine. You have adaptive cruise control, a long list of safety features, Sirius XM satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. This is voice activated. This rear view mirror is always on. You have a power sky shade. You have an over the cab bunk and just comfortable places to sit. What I love about this is when you are set up at camp, which you can easily set up at camp right here with Rapid Camp Plus. So whether you want to put out your slide, check your tank levels, monitor that 200 watts of solar, set your auto gen start, you can do everything right from here from Rapid Camp Plus. We're set up, the seats are turned around, heated seats, memory seats. Right now in this position, I have this set for button 3 on those memory seats. So once I get to camp and I spin it around, I hit 3, it slides right into position. You set up your table and now you have a nice area right here for morning coffee. Maybe you have the laptop fired up, you're gonna get some work done, and it's real easy to do when you connect to the Winegard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. You also have a smart TV over the kitchen. So if you're sitting at either the sofa or the theater seats, smart TV is right there. So let's talk about our seating options over here. So you can outfit this depending on what you need. If you need just relaxation, maybe it's just the two of you. Theater seats, option in the power theater seats. These tables slide into position. You can pull these out of the way. You can kick your feet up. I love how the controls are right there. But if you need another place to sit and you need a traditional dinette, you can get that in your 24FB. Moving over to our campsite kitchen here, ton of counter space. Look at this. Wireless charging right there if you need it, or maybe you want to plug in an appliance. 110s, USB-A, USB-C. Over to the cooktop, convection microwave. Great setup in here with a ton of storage. Look at all of the storage you have in here. This is Greystone and Alpine Gray cabinets and decor. There's even, look at that, even storage behind the TV, which is on a swivel, so you can swivel this into position whether you are here or you are at the sofa in the back, which we will show you in just a second. Show you more storage down here. Large cabinet here, 4 drawers down there, and we are over to our sofa. So another little seating area back here. You can reach into your 12-volt fridge, grab a drink, grab your favorite pint of ice cream and kick back and just enjoy sitting, lounging, relaxing after a hard day of exploring. Then at night, you can make this into a Murphy bed. So this is going to be a power Murphy bed. You just have to take and move your cushions, and then you flip your armrests over, and then on the wall is the button. Turn your key into the down position, and down comes your Murphy bed. 3 cabinets up above, reading lights underneath, very comfortable. Charging net here with ports as well. Just make sure in the morning or before you leave to your next campsite, you pull the phone out, or you'll be like, where's my phone? Oh, I left it in the wall. Not that that's ever happened to any of us. Just some friendly advice from your friendly neighborhood RV tour guide. As we put our cushions back into place here, gonna head back into the bathroom. Large closet here. Another large closet in the bathroom with the ladder for the over-the-cab bunk, a lot of drawers, a lot of storage down below the sink, medicine cabinets right up here. There's your sink, our toilet, our shower with the printed surround, a skylight, a vent fan, 15,000 BTU AC in here, by the way, which is also controlled from Rapid Camp Plus. Great living area, and we have a lot to show you on the outside. As we come on down, we are underneath the awning. You can see armless awning stretches all the way over the entry door, all the way to the back. So when you are set up here and you pull your camping chairs right out of this very large bay, or maybe you have the golf clubs in there, set up at camp, unwind, relax, have a great time. Over here, this is going to be our quiet diesel 3200 watt generator. The propane, the 4,000 watt propane generator comes standard. This is going to be a 30 amp coach. Another little storage bay there. We have more storage here, and all your connections conveniently located on the other side. It has the Nautilus system, which is awesome because all you have to do is follow the dials, and it is real easy to take and maintain your Delano. This is the 2025 24FB. There are a lot of great features to explore. You can also find the MSRP right now on thormotorcoach.com.